Okay, we're ready for the last kind of path that we can create here with the pen tool. If you've mastered these straight paths and mastered the curved paths, then you are ready for combo paths. And here's where things get really advanced. So what I'm going to do is create a combination of curved and straight paths here. So what I'm going to do is I will single click on number 1 and then single click on number 2. That'll give me a perfectly straight line. Then I'm going to click and drag up to the red dot. Bring my cursor over to number 3, and I will click and drag down to the blue dot. Now, what I want to do is I want to convert this anchor point. These anchor points actually have properties assigned to them. We have curved anchor points, and we have straight anchor points. So if I were to just leave this the way it is and single click on number 4, I'd wind up with this, which is no good. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get rid of my entire path and start all over again here. I'm just going to hit delete twice on my keyboard here, and I'll start all over again. Single click on 1. Single click on 2, click and drag up to the red dot, click and drag down to the blue dot. Now, I want to convert this anchor point, as I just mentioned. So I'm going to hold down Option here on the Mac or Alt on the Windows side. And if I bring my pen nib over top of that anchor point, notice the tiny little symbol that appears right beside my pen nib. If I single click, that breaks away that direction line. And now if I single click on number 4, I'm back to a straight line. I'll give you a better example of that over here inside the last item that we have. So just hold down Command or Control, click away to deselect, and we're going to go after this guy here. So I will single click and drag up to get those direction lines. Click and drag down to the blue dot there on just a slight angle. Now watch this. I'm going to hold down Option here, and I'm not holding down Option while over top of an anchor point. I'm holding down Option while over the end of one of these direction lines. And check out my cursor. If I click and drag, I actually break those direction lines once again. Think of the direction lines as almost like a teeter-totter for your curve. I'll bring my cursor over number 3 and then click and drag straight down, thus completing my final shape. Go ahead and Control or Command click away to finish things off.